Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to add citation in Word. First thing first, open your Word document, then go to the References tab on the toolbar. In the Citations and Bibliography group, click the arrow next to Style. Choose the style you want to use, for example APA, commonly used in social sciences, MLA, which is often used in humanities, and Chicago IEEE or others depending on your field. This will ensure all your citations follow the correct formatting guidelines. Now click at the end of the sentence or phrase where you want the citation to appear. In the References tab, click Insert Citation and choose one of the following options such as Add New Source, which to use this, enter all details of the reference right away, and Add New Placeholder. Use this to mark where a citation will go and fill in the details later. A placeholder citation will show a small question mark next to the source manager. If you select a new Add Source, the Create Source dialog box appears. Just click the arrow next to Type of Source. Fill in the fields with your source information, and then for more detailed references, click Show All Bibliography Fields to reveal extra options, then click OK when finished. Your source will now appear as a citation in your document at the cursor location. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.